Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You sign in now and go straight to Settings. You want to be in Outlook. COM Storage View. Once there, sort mail by size so you can see the biggest files first. Make sure you check both inbox and sent items. Attachments live in either place. You'll also confirm retention rules and connected accounts here. These affect how long items stay. Start deleting or moving the largest messages to a local archive so you free noticeable space immediately. You run targeted searches like has attachments, yes and size, 5 MB to list bulky emails. Then, download any attachments you want to keep and move them to OneDrive or your computer. Once saved, delete the original messages to recover space. Don't forget to empty the deleted items and junk folders. Those often hold the freed bytes. Once done, set auto-empty for deleted items and adjust retention policies so future mail prunes automatically. This prevents the same problem from returning. You confirm the storage reduction by refreshing the settings page and checking the usage meter. Make sure numbers dropped. Next, unsubscribe from newsletters and set filters to auto-archive low-value mail so you stay under quota. If syncing or space numbers are inconsistent, reconnect the account in client apps and retry. Also clear browser cache and verify you're not hitting a OneDrive or Outlook. COM quota limit. If problems persist, try deleting a known large message to force a recount and observe the result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.